Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're diving into Edge, a non-custodial crypto wallet designed for security, privacy, and full user control. With multi-currency support and a built-in trading feature, it's built for convenience while keeping your assets secure. Edge puts privacy first by encrypting all data on your device before it ever touches their servers. Since it's non-custodial, only you have access to your private keys, no third parties involved. This makes it a solid choice for those who want complete control over their crypto. One of its standout features is multi-currency support. Edge works with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Monero, and a variety of ERC20 tokens. The built-in exchange lets you swap assets instantly without relying on centralized platforms, making trading fast and hassle-free. Security is another strong point. Edge offers two-factor authentication, automatic backups, and a unique recovery system using a username and password instead of a traditional seed phrase. This makes access easier, but advanced users may prefer the classic seed phrase for extra control. There are a few drawbacks. Edge is mobile only, which may not work for those who prefer managing crypto on a desktop. Also, while its recovery system is user-friendly, some may find the lack of a seed phrase limiting in terms of security and wallet compatibility. For those looking for a secure, private, and easy-to-use mobile wallet with built-in trading, Edge has a lot to offer. But if desktop access and traditional backup methods are a priority, it might not be the perfect fit. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.